Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already. Today we'll be learning how to share location on Google Maps. It is super easy to do so. First of all, go to your Google Map application, then tap on the profile icon on top right corner. That opens up like this. Now there you can see location sharing. Tap on it and then you'll see this screen. Tap on share location button. The location you share will only remain for 1 hour. You can leave it as it is or tap on 1 hour and select until you turn this off, or tap on plus icon to increase the time and minus icon to decrease the time. Now tap on more option. It shows you share with link. Tap on share, then tap on copy option to copy the link. Now you can share the link by sending it on a message, and by following the link, other person can see the shared location. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also, like the video if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.